are both leaving the movie.
Right.
But Bean, if you leave, you'll miss all the fireworks.
Right, yeah.
Fireworks? Ooh. Okay, I'll stay, but I want to help.
Gee, is there anything Bean can do in the final number?
Oh, gosh, maybe Bean could set off the fireworks.
That's right.
Yeah, and I'll stay and help. I love fireworks.
Well, okay. Sam, are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, everybody, get ready.
Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of MuppetVision 3D.